Network technology GSM, HSPA, LTE launch announced not announced yet status rumored body dimensions, weight build front glass, aluminum body SIM hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM. Dual standby display type IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors size 5.7 inches, 83.8 square centimeters resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels. 24 pixels per 18:9 ratio, approximately 424 pixels per inch density. Multi-touch yes, MIUI 9.5 platform OS Android 7.1.2, Nougat chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 CPU octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex-A53 GPU Adreno 509 memory card slot micro SD. Up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot, internal 64 GB, 4 GB RAM or 32 GB, 3 GB RAM camera primary dual, 12MP plus 5MP, phase detection autofocus, dual LED dual tone flash features geo-tagging, touch focus. 3. Wave ringtones loudspeaker sound alert types vibration, MP3, wave ringtones loudspeaker yes 3.5mm jack yes, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic comms WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot Bluetooth 4.2. A2DP, La GPS yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS infrared port yes radio FM radio USB micro USB 2.0 features sensors fingerprint, rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity. Compass messaging SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, IM browser HTML5. Network technology GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE launch announced 2017, December status available. Release 2017. December body dimensions 158.5 by 75.5 by 8.1 mm, 6.24 by 2.97 by 0.32 in, weight 180 grams. 6.35 ounces, build front glass, aluminum frame and back, plastic and SIM hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM. Dual standby display type IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors size 5.99 inches, 92.6 square centimeters, approximately 77.4% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels. Dual standby display type IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors size 5.99 inches, 92.6 square centimeters, approximately 77.4% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels. 18:9 ratio, approximately 403 pixels per inch density, multi-touch yes protection Corning Gorilla Glass, unspecified version, MIUI 9 platform OS Android 7.1.2, Nougat chipset Qualcomm MSM8953 Snapdragon 625 CPU octa-core. Dual LED dual tone flash, check quality features geo-tagging, touch focus, face smile detection, HDR, panorama video 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, check quality secondary 5MP, 1080p. 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53 GPU Adreno 506 memory card slot micro SD, up to 128 GB, uses SIM2 slot, internal 64 GB, 4 GB RAM or 32 GB, 3 GB RAM camera primary 12MP, f2.2, 1.25 micrometers, phase detection autofocus.